Y'all already know we gotta have the reliable transport, man. It ain't gonna be nothing else. Running over here to Ponder, Decatur area to get a LTZ250.
Then turn left onto Hilltop Trail.
A TTR 125. Y'all don't tell anybody about the TTR. I'm pretty embarrassed. It's, you know, I'm gonna make some money on it, so I'm gonna buy it and get it running. I don't want to do it. But you know what? There's some little girl out there that really could use a TTR to use a manual clutch. You know who you are. Bunch of AG BBR nut riders, and they could really use some practice with the manual clutch. That's what the TTR is for. It's pretty much for bobos who don't know how to ride, pansies, and tough little girls. Here goes the card. Y'all know who to contact. You know who to contact. I'm on my way over there. He'll have cash within the hour. And then I'll make some money. So I'm happy. Guys, I'm about halfway there and I'm about to whip this Ford around, man. I can't buy a damn TTR 125. I mean, I guess I'm gonna do it. Because some, you know, little dipshit out there could learn on it. But, you know, I don't want to do it. I feel like my back's against the wall here because it's a lousy old TTR 125. It makes me sick. It makes me... Please don't tell anybody about the TTR, guys. Lake's going to tell me I can't grow a mullet now. So, I'm going to have to do without a mullet, I guess, over this TTR. It's probably going to cause a fight. It's going to cause a big fight, and he's right. That's the worst part. That's the worst part about it is he's right, and I'm going to have to stand there and try and defend myself. No, full well I'm wrong. But I'm going to do it. Gotta do it. Gotta do it. Here, get you a sniff. Smells like a fresh bike in here. Cool. TTR. Check this out. No way. Accused of lowballing? Gonna accuse me of lowballing somebody? Straight up told me, if you're gonna lowball me, we'll just wait till I can get the carb. Well, I didn't know the carb was missing. That's only like 300 bucks. If it didn't have the Elka shocks on it, I'd have just bounced, but Andy found the carb, so thank you. Time for a bang break, but look at here. $1.97 for that. Oh, 80% gas. Not bad for 80% gas, right? I had planned on buying the Suzuki and tuning it up, making some money on it, showing y'all how to do it. You know, I just picked up it and the TTR up, and I paid $600 for the pair. Well, I got a buddy of mine coming that buys a lot of bikes from me. He's gonna give me 11 for this one, so I'm gonna make me 500 bucks, and he's gonna let me keep the Elka front shocks. And I told him I'd give him the quad 14 with the shocks. He wasn't into that, so we negotiated a little bit, and I'm keeping those Elkas. I'm making me 500, and I get that TTR for free, boys. It is. Got the rest of it in here. Gave 6 for the pair. I think I got the Zook sold for 11, and he said I could keep the front shocks. Hello, fucking pit bike. That's going on a pit bike. I told you I would teach you something. Man, pay attention, and don't be trying to pick up bikes in a dadgum Chevy. That ain't gonna work. It's never worked out for anybody. Don't do that. Not a Dodge. Come on, be serious. So he's about to be here to pick up. We're gonna load this in his truck, unload the daggum TTR. I got somebody dropping me off at PW here in a minute that I'm buying. PW80 for $250 delivered. Come on, man. This is fucking day one shit. That's you make 500 bucks on that. You put a top end on it, you got 375 in it with some tires. 850 bucks. Easy shit. Kind of stuff that keeps me from working at the BK, man. I'll be trying to serve up some fake ass Whoppers that ain't even got meat on them. Come on, dude, we're in Texas. I don't want to get my fucking throat cut. I just pulled this TTR out. See if we done any good or not. I'm about 500 ahead on it, so it's gonna be hard to fuck this one up. So she should run with some carb work. Yeah, boy. Sweet. I'm gonna get that Suzuki in a minute, and I got a guy dropping me a PW80, guys. Can't get enough of those, man. I got a PW all hung up back there, drying. PW80 for $250. You shitting me? Come on. Bring it over. Bring her over. Don't be doing burnouts.
Try not to.
You're gonna do it just in time because this little boy's about to be here.
I gotta tell you, $2.
$2? How much for real? 200? $2? What, you put it all in the middle? Fucking angel. How much is here? $10.98? You owe me $2? Okay, man. That's 2 XS energy drinks next time. That's all those motherfuckers are worth is a fucking buck. Yeah, that'll be fine, Angel. Watch, I'll go way up here. I'll do it right here. Hold on. I need a little more, so I put it on the tire. Dale, wait.
I just get on tour with it. I give it 45 minutes.
Oh. What, you got your dad's plates on there or something?
No,
Tie dad? Oh, when he's got the trailer, he'll use a tollway because it's a fake tag.
Only my tag.
Well, it's the end of the day, and I made $500 so far, and I got this pilot ought to bring me $800-900.